Now we are not talking about how is it?
Fantastic! Fantastic! 100!
All right, guys. I just want to say thank you to all the cast, all the crew. And everybody has to tweet. You have to talk about what you have seen. Let them know about me. Let them see. Let them enjoy it. You know this movie is not something you have to keep. You have to tell one person. One person must tell another person about me. Thank you so much from all the cast. My daddy is here. I cannot thank you. Thank you for everything. Now from 2023 till now, so many world, so many dances, and thank God. We want to tell you, thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for this world. I don't know that we come together. Thank you all the we need millions on this show. And I want to say thank you to Film Love. Thank you for all the love. Let's start your word. I know some party, I know my family is watching now. My daddy, wife, my children, I know my kids. Thank you for saying so slow. Everybody on the show too. All the cast, all the crew. Please let's take our love. I love you. God bless you. Thank you, relationship. God bless you. God bless everybody. I love you. I appreciate you. All the advance. God bless you.
God bless you
Enjoy this fantastic great tour. May 4, please, I want everyone to go to shout, Ori, are we ready? Thank you. One person should tell another person.